Okay guys, good day guys. So welcome back to our channel, Tyros and Christian TV. So we are now here in Ubay. So this is a farm lot. This area contains 3046 square meters. So this lot is for sale. Inside this property is 6 fully grown mango trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Then that one, the small one. Yeah, have you seen it? The small one. 6. So including this rice field but not yet cultivated. So this is a 3046 square meters. This is very cheap guys. So I already talked to the owner. So I will put the price on my details of this video. We are here in Tipolo, Ubay, Bohol. So from here to down to Barangay Road, maybe 20 meters away. So they have a right of way also. So you can purchase this guys. This big mango trees is not included. That coconut is also not included. So that one is included, and then this one. So source of water. So they have source of water over there, and then source of electricity also in that area. So the boundary is beside that house. This is 3046 square meters guys. This is a very big property, and the price is very cheap because the story of this land is the beside of this land was loaned by the bank. So they want to sell this property so that they can fully paid to their loan on the bank. So this one is for sale. So you can acquire this guys. You can purchase this at very low price. Look at the area. So very clean. Yes. The boundary is back of that bamboo tree. So crossing right to that portion. It contains guys 6 fully grown mango trees. You can, if you will purchase this property, so you have to spray the mango tree so that it will bear fruits. So right that beside the rice paddies. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys, Tyros and Christian TV, so that you were updated of my upcoming videos. So there are many properties for sale, so I will cover, including this B3. So the right of way is that area down to crossing that part. So the Barangay Road ends there, so they will give right of way. This is included, guys. So they told me that the right of way must be over right there, the end of the Barangay Road. So from right there to here, down this portion. So thank you guys and have a great day.